Welcome to Nayati NGKB Gas Wok Range Firebrick Stone Replacement. In this tutorial, you will learn the correct procedure for replacing the Firebrick Stone on the NGKB Gas Wok Range. Before replacing the Firebrick Stone, ensure the gas supply is turned off, the electrical power is disconnected, and the burner has completely cooled down. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment throughout the replacement process. This tutorial demonstrates the correct procedure for replacing the Firebrick Stone on the NGKB Gas Wok Range. Begin by removing the top cast iron ring. If the ring is sealed with high-temperature silicone, carefully soften the sealant before lifting the ring to prevent damage to surrounding components. Next, remove the support firebrick ring. And remove the rock wool insulation. Then, remove the firebrick gap cover ring located between the Firebrick Stone and the stainless steel body. Inspect the area around the burner. If mortar is bonding the Firebrick Stone to the burner assembly, carefully remove the excess mortar before attempting to lift the stone. From the underside of the unit, locate the 4 Firebrick alignment bolts. Remove the original bolts and replace them with the longer lifting bolts. Tighten each bolt gradually and evenly. This will raise the Firebrick Stone while keeping it level. Continue tightening until sufficient clearance is created beneath the Firebrick Stone. The Firebrick Stone is heavy and brittle. Always lift and remove it using at least 2 technicians. Inspect the replacement Firebrick Stone. Do not install the component if any cracks or shipping damage are found. Locate the 4 stainless steel support pads beneath the original Firebrick Stone. These pads distribute the load from the alignment bolts and help prevent the Firebrick Stone from cracking. Reinstall all 4 support pads onto the base of the unit. Apply a small amount of high-temperature silicone to hold each support pad in position during installation. Carefully lower the new Firebrick Stone into position. Make sure it is fully seated on the 4 stainless steel support pads. Reinstall the original alignment bolts. Temporary lifting bolts must not be used during final assembly. Install the top cast iron ring temporarily. At this stage, do not reinstall the support firebrick ring, firebrick gap cover ring, or rock wool insulation. The top cast iron ring is temporarily installed to perform the firebrick alignment. Adjust the alignment by gradually tightening the 4 alignment bolts from underneath the unit. Tighten each bolt evenly to keep the Firebrick Stone level. Continue adjusting until the gap between the top cast iron ring and the Firebrick Stone is completely eliminated. Do not over-tighten the alignment bolts. The Firebrick Stone should fit tightly against the top cast iron ring without applying upward pressure to the ring itself. Inspect the entire circumference to ensure the Firebrick Stone sits evenly with no abnormal gaps. Finally, verify that the heat transfer opening is correctly aligned with the water pan passage. Proper alignment is essential to ensure heat is directed efficiently to the water pan. After the alignment has been completed, remove the top cast iron ring once again. Apply high-temperature silicone to the Firebrick gap cover ring and reinstall it between the Firebrick Stone and the stainless steel body. Reinstall the rock wool insulation around the Firebrick Stone. Next, reinstall the support firebrick ring. Finally, reinstall the top cast iron ring. Apply mortar evenly between the top cast iron ring and the Firebrick Stone before installing the ring. This helps eliminate any remaining gaps and ensures a proper seal between both components. If required, apply new mortar between the burner assembly and the Firebrick Stone. Then reseal the top cast iron ring using high-temperature silicone. The Firebrick Stone replacement procedure is now complete. The NGKB Gas Wok Range is ready for final inspection and operational testing.